Welcome to Health Lantern. Here are 20 ways to fight aging over 50, including some lesser-known options, along with the science behind their effectiveness and importance. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is a natural compound found in grapes, red wine, berries, and peanuts. It has been shown to have anti-aging effects by activating sirtuins, which are enzymes involved in cellular longevity. Resveratrol may help protect against age-related diseases, improve cardiovascular health, and promote longevity. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity, including both cardiovascular exercises and strength training, has been shown to have numerous anti-aging benefits. Exercise helps improve cardiovascular health, maintain muscle mass, enhance cognitive function, boost mood, and promote overall well-being. It also stimulates the production of growth factors and hormones that support tissue repair and regeneration. Intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of fasting and eating. Studies have suggested that intermittent fasting can promote longevity, enhance cellular repair mechanisms, reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and support brain health. Fasting triggers various metabolic pathways and cellular processes, including autophagy, which helps remove damaged cells and promotes cellular renewal. Take Coenzyme Q10, or CoQ10 for short. CoQ10 is a naturally occurring antioxidant that plays a crucial role in cellular energy production. It helps protect cells from oxidative damage and supports heart health. CoQ10 levels tend to decline with age, so supplementation may be beneficial for overall health and vitality. Mindfulness Meditation. This involves focusing attention on the present moment, cultivating awareness, and reducing mental stress. Regular practice has been associated with improved psychological well-being, reduced inflammation, better immune function, and enhanced brain health. Meditation may influence aging processes by reducing oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage. Polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols are a group of plant compounds found in foods like green tea, cocoa, berries, and spices. They possess potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help combat oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect against age-related diseases. Including a variety of polyphenol-rich foods in your diet can support healthy aging. High-quality sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health and longevity. During sleep, the body repairs and regenerates cells, balances hormone levels, and supports cognitive function. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted, restful sleep each night to promote optimal physical and mental well-being. Take nicotinamide, riboside, or NR for short. NR is a form of vitamin B3 that has gained attention for its potential anti-aging effects. It is a precursor to nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, or NAD+, a molecule involved in cellular energy metabolism and various other cellular processes. NR supplementation may support mitochondrial function, enhance cellular repair mechanisms, and promote healthy aging. Social connections. Maintaining strong social connections and having a supportive network of relationships is important for healthy aging. Social isolation and loneliness have been associated with increased risks of various health conditions and accelerated aging. Meaningful social interactions provide emotional support, reduce stress, and contribute to overall happiness and well-being. Glucosamine and chondroitin. They are commonly used supplements to support joint health and reduce the symptoms of age-related conditions, such as osteoarthritis. Glucosamine helps maintain the integrity of cartilage, while chondroitin supports joint lubrication and reduces inflammation. These supplements may help alleviate joint pain and promote mobility. Novelty and learning. Engaging in novel experiences and continually learning can promote brain health and slow cognitive decline. Challenging your mind with new activities, such as learning a musical instrument, picking up a new hobby, or taking up a new language, stimulates neural pathways, promotes neuroplasticity, and enhances cognitive function. Pterostilbene. Pterostilbene is a compound found in blueberries, grapes, and certain other plants. It exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties and has been investigated for its potential to support brain health and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Pterostilbene supplementation may help combat oxidative stress and promote brain function. Stress management. Chronic stress can accelerate aging processes and negatively impact overall health. Implementing stress management techniques, such as mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, journaling, or engaging in enjoyable activities, helps reduce stress hormones like cortisol, promotes relaxation, and supports overall well-being. Hormone optimization. As individuals age, hormone levels, such as growth hormone, testosterone, estrogen, and progesterone, naturally decline. Working with a healthcare professional to monitor and optimize hormone levels, when appropriate, can help support healthy aging. Hormone replacement therapy may be considered in certain cases to alleviate symptoms and promote overall well-being. Cold water therapy. Cold water immersion, such as taking cold showers or baths, has been associated with various health benefits. Cold exposure activates the body's stress response, leading to the release of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant molecules. It can enhance immune function, increase metabolic rate, improve mood, and promote the production of brown fat, which helps burn calories. Sun protection. Protecting your skin from harmful UV radiation is crucial for maintaining youthful-looking skin and reducing the risk of skin cancer. Wear sunscreen with a high SPF, seek shade during peak sun hours, and wear protective clothing and accessories, such as wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for overall health and maintaining youthful-looking skin. Proper hydration supports optimal organ function, aids in detoxification, helps maintain skin elasticity, and promotes a healthy complexion. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and include hydrating foods such as fruits and vegetables in your diet. Eye health. Protecting your vision is important as you age. Regular eye exams, eating a diet rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, wearing sunglasses to shield your eyes from UV rays, and limiting screen time can all contribute to maintaining optimal eye health and preventing age-related vision problems. Facial exercises. Facial exercises involve specific movements and muscle contractions targeted at the facial muscles. Regular practice helps improve muscle tone, circulation, and skin elasticity, potentially reducing the appearance of wrinkles and promoting a more youthful facial appearance. Laughter and positive emotions. Cultivating a positive mindset, finding joy in life, and incorporating laughter into your daily routine can have profound effects on overall well-being and aging. Positive emotions and laughter have been linked to reduced stress, improved immune function, better cardiovascular health, and enhanced longevity. This was a lot to think on, but start by implementing a few at a time or work on any you are struggling with one at a time. Hit the like and subscribe and click on the next video to continue your path to better health. Have a happy day.